Look at this baby that's too small for this Jumperoo. Oh, poor little guy. Look at his little feet. They're not quite touching, so he can't go Jumperoo yet. But I kind of wanted to show him in here in 2 months. He just kind of looks at the toys right now, up here, these ones. But he's not all that interested in, like, these toys. Let's see. Ooh! Look, baby. Oh, he's playing with that. He's still small for this. He should be like 4 or 5 months, but yeah, he's not really playing with everything this has to offer, but I bet when I do a video again showing him in it, probably at 5 months old, he'll just be going Jumperoo like crazy and playing with all these toys. Has a lot. See, and this thing is cool because he can spin, you know, to like look at everything. Draven. Hey, sweet baby. And he seems happy, so that's good. Is that a bird? Is that a bird friend like from your bouncer? Yeah. It's the same brand. It's a Fisher-Price Rainforest Jumperoo, and he has the bouncer. Look at those feet. I could probably put some books down there, but he doesn't really, you know, move his feet that much. So I'll just go Jumperoo for him. Yeah! He's just staring at the toys, which is cool, which is fine. It's just there's like so much else to do. You would think he would be interested, but he's pretty young, so I'm sure it'll happen. Look at baby! He likes it. He just looks so small in there. Cats, what are you guys doing? That's Poppy Chulo and Ivy Lynn. Poppy Chulo has this thing where he cannot eat food out of the bowl. He'll take his paw, like that, and dump it on the floor. And he'll eat like 4 kernels, and then he will leave it there. And Ivy Lynn just stares at him like you're an idiot. So, yeah. They've been having a little adjustment issues since the baby's been here. It's been very difficult because they've been the babies of the house, and now, you know, he's the focus, so they don't like it much, but they still get attention. They're not deprived. Oh, look, he's playing with that. Well, he's holding it. Awesome! You're doing good, baby. Yeah. I love you. Let's sit up a little better. Let's sit up. No, no, no. No, no, no. Get your head up. Yeah, you can't do that, baby. Okay. Well, I think that's pretty much enough of Jumperoo for him. Because he's falling down. Say bye-bye, everybody. Say bye-bye. I'm about to have a bottle. See you later. Yeah, he's hungry. That's why he's trying to eat it. Okay, bye.